What's up everyone? If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to keep receiving amazing content. On day 5 here we made a big mistake, but we also got all of the irrigation hose run. Now that it all's hooked up, now comes the fun part. The next video will actually dive into creating the C program that is going to control the irrigation system. Make sure to check out that video when it's released. And without further ado, here is day 5's video. Oh man, dude, this is super frustrating. So I got all of the irrigation hoses laid out and turned on the water to test to see if everything's working, and there's just not enough water pressure actually coming through to all of the different routes. And I think that means that I'm gonna have to redo the entire irrigation system. I think the reason that it actually ended up failing is because it's a 1/4 inch irrigation hose that is trying to run from our faucet all the way around with 11 spigots, and it is just not providing enough pressure to each one. So I think the fix is going to have to be to rip out everything that I did today and replace it with the standard 3/4 inch garden hose width, and then branch out into the 11 different spigots. With doing anything new, it always comes with risk. So this is just one of those things that, you know, learn from the mistakes and keep going. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, this obviously is going to take a lot more money and a lot more time. And I'd really like to continue sharing this with you guys, so I'd like to have your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep making the content. Yeah, so I mean, we gotta go rip all this out. That was a lot of time spent. Oh man, this sucks. Time to go buy more at the Lowe's.